Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TKAI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So what do I think about the chart? Well, it depends. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within 12.25 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, and that's the way I'm going to analyze the chart here, then everything is still perfectly fine. And I realize that can sound kind of goofy considering how deep of a pullback it was. But like I said, big picture is the key word there, not one single day. Remember, this is just one single day. But when we look at multiple days, as we're about to do, hopefully I can convey, why I still say that the big picture chart is okay. So for this, got to scrunch up the chart a little bit just to kind of convey the point that I'm trying to get across. And the point is this. Let me get this. For the longest time, the price was, stuck kind of down below this $1.15 range right here. You can see the price, temporarily got above it, but then fell back below. Got rejected directly, got slightly above it for like a very short amount of time, and then fell back below. Once again, right there, got rejected. Today, the price got above it, and on the pullback, this is just a foundational rule in charting going into play. Levels of resistance, which it was, multiple times before, you want to see act as support. And that's exactly what happened today. It is acting as support. And the reason I say that's a good sign is because let's just think about it. Let's say that the price continues to go sideways here before heading back up. At that point in view, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. Again, if you are a day trader and you bought right there, you could care less about any of this. That's why it all, goes back to what was your perspective, what was your strategy going in. So that's why I say, yeah, the bulls still have a chance from a big picture perspective because they can still build that higher base. And that higher base is, right down there around the $1.18, $1.17 level, give or take a couple pennies. So keep an eye on that. That'll be the key level going forward. I mean, if the price just crashes below it, well, then it's kind of back to the drawing board for the bulls because this whole move would have been wiped away. But, you got to sit back and, that'll be definitely the key level to watch going forward. So we'll see how the bulls handle it. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.